Hi everybody, this is John, the head of Global Business Development here at Tilelook.com, and today I'm going to quickly show you how to change the privacy settings on your projects. The reason you might want to do this is, maybe you're working on a project and you don't want your prospective customer to see the project while you're working on it, or for any other reason. Maybe you just, you're playing around with the software and familiarizing yourself, and you might make a funny looking project and you just don't want the world to see. For whatever reason, I'm going to show you how to change the privacy settings to either make it public or private. Okay, so what you do is you log in here, you sign in. Okay, oh, sign in. Okay, and then once you're at the My Tilelook homepage, you go to My Designs on the left, and you'll see here this design I have. And if you click the design, go down to Edit, and then you'll be able to change right here. You click Visibility, and you can change it to Publish, where you see the globe, or it's already set to Private. So we'll change it to Publish, and now this is for the world to see. Click Update Project. And there you go. Project was successfully updated. Now this is a public project. Okay? And that's it. Now if you want to change it back, go to Edit again, Visibility, you click, go down to Private, and you see the lock symbol. Are you sure? It asks you right here. Click OK. Update project. And that's it. It's that simple. Like always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to email me or call me. And I hope this video was helpful, and hope you enjoy the rest of your day and enjoy Tilelook. Thank you.